Welcome YouTubers to the Retired Life Ollie Style.
Hi guys.
First off, I want to apologize for the noise. One, it's pouring rain outside. You can probably hear the rain coming down, so I apologize for that with the noise. And the air conditioner's on too.
Yeah, we're in the middle of a tropical storm.
So if we turn the AC off, it'll get way too hot and too muggy in here. So I know some of you, most of you that RV have the same type of issue. So we apologize for that. Second thing I would say is we are finally putting out a video to our 6-week road trip.
Yep.
And the first stop is going to be Myrtle Beach. And I want to say kudos to the people who are able to put out video every single week while you're on the road. So it's a lot more than I thought it was going to be, a lot more effort.
Well,
right?
It's hard. I mean, we've been traveling non-stop for 6 weeks. So it's hard to get to your site, set up your site, do your normal camping duties, videotape, get yourself together. And plus we take you guys on some of our excursions when we go sightseeing and things. So we have that videotape as well, not just the camping tape. So, and the road trip tape, because for us it's not just about the destination, it's about the journey. So we want to take you guys on our journey to our destination. So to put all that together and try to edit it and put the video out, it's hard.
Yeah, because usually I don't really get a chance until the evening. By that time, I'm wiped out. Driving, setting up, you know, so I'm kind of wiped out. But now we seem to be in a groove where, like, you know, so it should be. So that being said, I think it's time to let them see the video, I think, right?
Yeah, let's get into it.
So our first stop is Myrtle Beach. Hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll talk to you after.
Yeah, see you soon.
All right. We are pretty much packed up, ready to go. So now we are pretty much packed up, ready to go. Just a couple more things have to go out, and now we're on our way to the store to get a few supplies that we might need, right?
Yep, and some food, because I wouldn't go food shopping because we're leaving. So we have to get something for lunch.
I'm starving. So we were out putting stuff in the bins. Now, we're not full-timers, we are part-time vacations. We're going out for 6 straight weeks this time. When we opened up the outside storage units, storage bins underneath the basement of the RV, she found a bunch of spiders and spider webs and I guess spider egg pods.
Pods, actual pods.
So one of the things we're going to get is bug spray. I guess we'll hit it in the bins, you know, kill whatever is in there. So hopefully they don't come up inside. But they don't really bother me, but they bother her more than me. So this is where we're going, and we are on the road to the store to pick up supplies, and that should be that.
That should be that.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde.
Alright guys, so here we are. We are at Site 91 in Apache Family Campground in North Myrtle Beach. We are one site away from the beach. There's the pier. You get tickets to go onto the pier during the day because in the evening they have live entertainment. And if you can look over there in the corner, that's one of their camp stores and also the campground restaurant. We ate there last night. It was really good food. Now we're gonna go over to the beach side. Excuse the wind. I know it's probably kind of loud. One of the reasons we didn't come out earlier was because it's so hot. It had to be almost 100 degrees here today. Everett was gonna try to fly his drone, but it's been really super windy. I mean, I know we're at the beach, but really windy. Put our feet in and see how warm it is. It's kind of rough. It's pretty warm. It's not. It's pretty warm. I got my feet in. It's warm. Feels good, but the water's just too rough. See down there too, see it rolling underneath the pier? Look at that. Alright, well, just wanted you guys to see the beach. Now we're gonna take a ride and show you some of the campground. Alright, see you in a minute. Guys, I'm so excited. We are literally one campsite away from the beach. I think this is going to be the closest we've ever stayed to the actual beach. Very busy to get in here though, just to let you guys know. Very busy. This is not a sleepy campsite, campground. You're right on top of each other though, I'm gonna tell you that. There's not much room, so there's the beach.
All right, guys, so this trip took a lot of planning. It took online RV map planning services, trip planning services. We've used Boondockers Welcome. We've used Harvest Host. We planned this trip out from top to bottom. So, plus getting the RV ready to go with supplies and just general maintenance type items. We also decided that we were going to go ahead and do some remodeling. As you all know that follow us, we have an older RV. So we actually took out the old couch, we put in a new couch, we put up new blinds, took down the old blinds, we put up new backsplash in the kitchen, and it actually came out great. It looks really good. Just tried to upgrade it just a little bit. So our first issue was in Myrtle Beach. Our slides wouldn't go out. We had to call a mobile RV service, and when he came, he said our batteries were bad. He tested our batteries. First thing he did, he says, yeah, they're bad. Our batteries are about 7 years old. So we ended up getting new batteries, and as soon as he installed the new batteries, boom, the slides went right out. So if you're in the Myrtle Beach area, I would definitely recommend High Tide RV Service. He was very quick to come out, very nice guys, and very reasonably priced. All right, hey YouTube. We hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Put comments down below about maybe, some things I can do better as far as editing is concerned, or the way that we shoot and film. Those of you that are way more experienced than we are, that would be greatly appreciated. Or if you have any questions about Myrtle Beach or the Myrtle Beach area, please put the comments down below, and we will get to you as quickly as I shouldn't say she will get to you, because she usually answers everybody's questions and comments. So, but that was Myrtle Beach.
I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a very quick trip. I think we were there 2 nights, including check-in day. So we got in, we checked in, we kind of toured just the campground. We didn't leave the campground. And we did renovating, as you saw. We put new blinds up around the entire RV, so that took like half a day. And it was probably about 100 degrees outside. And so we hope you enjoyed that. And
come with us on the next trip. Stay tuned for
Ocean City, Maryland.
But before that, we actually, when we left Myrtle Beach, we went to her dad's house.
Yes.
And we spent time with family there. We had a great time. Her brothers and sisters, everybody were there.
We saw the videotape where my parents were waving goodbye as we drove away.
Yeah. We didn't do a lot of film there, because it was family time. But our next adventure is Ocean City, Maryland, which we had an absolute blast. Love Ocean City. Can't wait for you guys to see that when we put that out. So, anything else?
No, just glad that you're here. Welcome to our new subscribers. We did not forget about you. We're so happy that you're here. And all of our subscribers that have been hanging out with us all this time, we appreciate you guys too. Please hang in there. We hope to give you more entertainment. So stay tuned.
Yeah. All right, we'll see you. Now it's time. Whoop, my bad. My bad, that's her part.
Here it is. He did it again. Now it's time for us to get to getting.
Get to getting. See you guys.
See you soon.
Please don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe for more content.
And don't forget to ring that bell to see when a new video drops.